So hello everyone, welcome to Anyone Can Code with Akbar. So in today's session, we are going to cover few of the cool features which are added in latest release of Java 21, 22, 23 and 24. And if you look at the social media, right, Java becomes very beginner friendly programming language. You can write the Java code without having a class, right? So these features actually added as part of the Java 21 as a preview feature. In Java 24, those features are added as a mainstream. We'll see how you are going to write the new way of Java code. It's been a while, so a lot of beginner programmers are complained Java is very tedious and the learning curve is very high. So those inputs are considered by Oracle and they release the latest version with these features. Today in this session, we are going to look at what are unnamed classes and instance methods or instance main method you can quickly run unlike other programming languages, and we are going to look at the string template. So what string template and how you are going to use. So we'll see the same code I'm trying to write in Java 21. We'll see the execution way, how in Java 21 it is executed. And we are going to write the same code in Java 25, how it becomes the mainstream. So typically any new features which are added to the JDK, so they are going to release as a preview feature. Few of the folks are going to adapt it in their program with some cautious these thing. And if the feature is really liked and most of the people they thought it is really beneficial for the folks, then they are going to release in the mainstream. Okay, so we'll see. I'm creating a Java 21 um, Java 21 demo app. I was created. I was selected the JDK 21. So I have multiple Java versions installed in my machine for the demo purpose. So Java 17 I have, 25, 21. So in order to experiment with the latest features of Java, so we have to install the various versions. So I'm currently selecting Java 21 and simply create a new project. Okay. So of course this is comes with as usual a main .java file created with class main and everything. So I really don't want all this stuff. I'm removed everything. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to write the instance main method. Instance main method is nothing but which is the entry point going forward, which is going to recognized by your JVM while you are executing the code. It is not going to look at the entire signature of the traditional Java public static void main, and it should be embedded inside the class. So there is no hassle of that. So you can simply write void main inside this system dot out dot println. So Java 21 is cool, right? So as of when I write this code, it is complaining. If you on hover on top of this error message, set language level is 21. Boss, you are using Java 21 features and which are not in a mainstream. Okay, so which are in preview stage only. And what is this complaint is all about? What does it mean? Basically, you can, if you look at the project settings, right click on your project, go to the module settings, right? So project, okay, library and everything is there. Okay, fine. So you simply go over, change these to, I'm just giving some additional instructions. Boss, change the language settings to 21. So done. See, as and when I change, the error was gone and your file is going to enable with this run button. Earlier it was not enabled. If you simply click run and observe the console. Okay. So if you look at the console, you will see the difference, right? Yeah. So the code was executed, but this is the thing I would like to highlight. So your code is executed with Java 21, and there is a flag which is set during the runtime of your code called enable preview. So it means, boss, this particular preview is this particular feature is in preview. So I'm running this code with enabling the preview button. Okay. So now the code was executed. Suppose example, as I mentioned, one more feature is this is basically embedded inside the main.java. this particular file is known or called as unnamed class, and this is the instance main method, which is going to be your new entry point. Okay, and next thing is string template. As I mentioned, probably how you are going to use the string template, we'll see. I have string name Akbar, and I'm going to use this system.out.println hello. This is, you can use str dot, you can give the name. It is basically string interpolation. So you can access a variable inside the string, or if you have a big string, inside that particular string, in some places you would like to place the value. Suppose example, you are preparing a report where the invoice or some sort of information you are displaying along with some dynamic data, right? So in such cases, this string templates are coming into very handy. Okay, now try to execute the same code with string template. Right, yeah, see, so the name value is replaced in your string hello, this is Akbar. And the same thing, this particular feature is in preview state with Java 21, and unnamed classes and the instance main methods, which are became mainstream in 24, but in most of the people are assuming that which is added in 25, right? So we'll try to create one more project with 25 and see the difference. Okay, let me create a new project, Java 25 demo app. I'm selecting Java 25, right? And one more thing, I'm using Mac machine. In Mac machine, you cannot install using brew command. Brew install Java 25 is not going to work out. Okay, and you have to explicitly download from Oracle official website. Okay, that's one more thing you have to remember when you start working with Java 25. Okay, so let me open this project in new window. So as usual, if you look at, by default your code is comes in inside the class, but I really don't want to write this stuff inside the class. I'm just removing everything, and now I'm going to write the main method system.out.println hello Java 25. And one more observation, when we are working with Java 21, there is an error message which is saying, boss, you are running a preview feature in Java 21 and IntelliJ is asking you to set the language preference to 21. But I started using Java 25. As this particular feature is available in mainstream, you really need not to do anything, right? So that is the reason the run button is automatically enabled in Java 25 code. Try to run this code. Let's see whether we are going to see the proper output or not. So if you run this code, you are still seeing the enable preview option, right? So the problem is, even though your instance methods and unnamed classes are available in mainstream, but there are still few features which are running on enable preview. So that is the reason we are still seeing this message. But the thing you have to observe is, when you write this code in Java 25, you are directly getting the run button, right, without any warning. But if you look at the same thing in Java 21, we are getting an error by saying these particular features are not available as part of the 21. You have to change the language setting, but this is not happened in Java 25. So that is one observation you have to make it. So thank you for watching.